Realme is set to unveil the GT7 Pro flagship on November 4th, and pre-orders are already open in China. Leaked pricing suggests it will start at CNY 3,999, around $560, €520. This impressive device will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and a cutting-edge Samsung Eco2 OLED display. It's also expected to boast an IP69 rating, a massive 6,500 mAh battery with 1-to-OW fast charging, and a triple-camera system for stunning photography. Notably, this marks a price increase from its predecessor, the Realme GT5 Pro, which launched at CNY 3,399 last December, about a 15% rise. Other brands like Xiaomi are also raising prices, influenced by the current inflation rate in China, which has been low at just under 1%. As premium smartphone sales continue to rise, the GT7 Pro's launch aligns with the upcoming Singles Day shopping festival on November 11th.